Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix location services not working on iPhone. The first thing you want to do is go into Settings, and you're going to scroll down and select Privacy. After selecting Privacy, you want to tap on Location Services. And as you can see right here, it's not allowing me to change it. Now to fix this, more than likely you have your screen time on, so you want to scroll up and select screen time, and from here you're going to scroll down a bit and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then you're going to see the option location services. You're going to tap on that and you're going to tap on allow changes. After doing that, you can go back and you can go scroll down and go into privacy and now tap on location services, and from here you'll now be able to turn it on. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.